Dining with Diabetes is a class that teaches us how to manage diabetes, to eat better and know what we are eating, how it is impacting the diabetes.
So the program really helped me bring my diabetes under control. I was up to 175 on my glucose, and I knew I had to get that under control. And as we got into this program, I began to see that there were lifestyle changes that I could live with. My glucose numbers started coming down. And that reinforced to me that, the program was effective. And so I appreciate tremendously the value that Dining with Diabetes brings and provided to me.
It was life-changing for us, really. We appreciate the effort that everyone involved in it put in it, because it taught us so much. After the cooking session, every week, whatever they cooked, I came home and I cooked it as well, because you always want to add a little this or, tweak the recipe a little bit. Probably 4 of the 5 times, or whatever recipes I used, we liked them. We thought, well, we can add this to our regiment of what we cook every month, and we have. It's been good for us.
It changed my life. It changed my wife's life. I wholeheartedly recommend this program to anyone that has the opportunity to take it.